Alrighty guys, welcome back to another video. It is currently 3:08 a.m. and we are gonna head over to my cousin Sean's house, who's gonna be boat captaining for us this morning, or this weekend, and we're gonna switch trucks. He's gonna hook up to the boat, and then we're gonna head up to Mille, and be about a 2-hour drive, and we're just getting everything all packed up, getting some food for some breakfast, and yeah, we're gonna try and get on the road here shortly, and I'll keep you guys updated.
So we're down we go, way down we go.
Or I have a chatterbait you can throw.
In that stuff, buddy?
Around it.
There's a lot of water in there.
Yeah, I know, look at that. That's bad.
It's okay, it's good for it.
Ow.
Oh, sorry.
Jesus. Throw the A-rig in it. Do you see the weather?
Oh, I haven't looked yet. Just look for today.
I'm fishing for muskies. Yep.
Big.
Still got
Or
him on?
it's not, it's stuck on a reed.
How big is he? Okay. Okay.
I told you he's big.
Okay.
We gotta go find.
Dude, I told you.
Yeah.
Do we another heavy rod? Like one where I can like throw a frog over it? Like not even back in that
Bro.
stuff?
take a photo.
That's like a, what, almost a 4? 4?
4. For sure. Look at his stomach, bro.
Just barely above 4.
417.
She'll set the field on fire, just cutting across the pasture. She'll have you falling for it all and then leave right after.
Nice enough boat.
On the A-rig. Digging. Coming. Yeah. Bro. Hold them up.
A-rig.
Yeah. Don't unhook him. Don't unhook him.
On the A-rig. Hunter Larson just took the lead, trying to seal the deal here at Glass Lake SATT Tournament Trail 2024. He's having troubles with the landing. Warning shot in the water. He goes for the grab. He has missed it. Oh my God, the struggle. Wow, this is bad. How does this man have the lead? He's grabbing the line like an amateur. Oh my God, but he got it!
Giant. Oh my God. It's a leader.
going as they tighten.
You sure you don't want me to grab them?
Should I do a pro landing?
You want me to grab them?
Ah, get the video. I'll land them like a joke. I didn't even really see those.
Neither have I. Grab the line. Nice. Let's go. Alrighty guys, it is day one of tournament day, Saturday, and we're just getting everything packed up, about to leave the cabin, and yeah, got it all hooked up, and we will see you guys at the gas station when we go to fill up on gas, and I'll see you guys out on the water. Hopefully it's not too windy yet, but yeah.
Right after. And she got a cold heart, but she got a warm smile, cut from the same cloth. She kind of buck wild, a little bit angel, whole lot of outlaw. She's trouble, but I tell you right now, y'all long live cowgirls, never gonna settle on down, girls. Leave you in a lonely ghost town, world where the sun don't rise. Rodeo 419, love you like a Mustang, one hand on them giddy up reins, holding your
10 minutes till tournament. Why do we come out here so early?
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. I can eat McDonald's right now.
We could be in McDonald's.
Yeah.
If you want to put this here, I'm sure you could just slide this down a pitch.
No, I must have been the Phoenix where you're putting it up there.
Yeah. You could put it like this. Nope, you can't.
That's ground swell.
Alright.
I think the tube will be good today. That one inhaled it, the one you caught yesterday.
Oh my god.
The one I caught on it too, the little one, it goes down its throat.
Yeah.
They obviously want it, but they're eating the drop shot too.
I'm gonna rotate them.
Alright. You want to start with a drop shot, you think, though?
Probably both should start with the
Yeah.
drop shot.
That's what I was thinking.
If we get some, then maybe go for a big bite with the tube.
Yeah. Drop shots catching big ones too.
Yeah, I know.
I haven't really any caught that all of small fish.
Except yours, one on the tube.
One on the tube was pretty small.
That one was like a baby. It's alright.
He wanted it.
Yeah. Can you fish, Joe 7?
Yeah, I'm fucking pre-fishing for tomorrow. I don't know what y'all say.
You're not in this tournament.
Oh, we just out here. Out here vibing.
Jerseys on and all.
Dude, yeah, give me a jersey swap.
Yeah.
It'd be the tightest jersey. Should literally just be a muscle shirt.
Yeah, cut the sleeves off.
That'd be so funny to, you pull up to a weigh-in with that, it's just...
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold up, drag.
Warren. Huh? I know. There's a fish.
That one?
Not huge, but scoreable.
There you go.
Let's go. Let's go.
That's a good one.
Let's go. Yes, sir.
Line? Is that I got? Oh, no.
Pliers. Thanks.
Lauren, can you come up here?
What?
You come up, stand up by the trolling motor since there's the water.
Yeah, watch out for the rod though. Wanna come down here?
Yeah.
Dang. Right here?
I can do that, babe.
He long.
Oh, no. Oh. Had him at 20.
I know. I will. Ow. They got me good. There. Wait. Yep. Yeah. Okay. 20 and a quarter. Here.
Okay.
Okay.
Let's go. 400.
Shoot. There he goes.
Fish is winning. 6 pounds.
Oh, that's a good one.
Yeah.
It's going towards me. Sean.
Think it's the same one?
Horn, watch out.
There you go.
Let's go. Let's go. Watch out for my rod, Horn. Bro, the hook's not even hooked.
Hook's not in. Hook's not in.
How big is he?
Let's go, another nice one.
Throw him up on that deck. I'll get that lighting. I want that lighting.
Watch out, Horn.
Oh, wait, dog.
It's alright, it's alright. Close your mouth.
Oh, he's like a little butterball. He's not as long.
Bro. Wait. Alright.
So we're good.
18 and a quarter.
18 and a quarter, baby. Woo!
Let's go, another nice one.
Your turn, Owen. Dude, he cooks us on small ones.
You think that was the same one, Sean?
Nah, I doubt it. You gotta. Oh, you're right.
Here, heads up. I need to wait.
Oh. have another 3/8 in that ball.
Holy Jesus.
I have to be doing something wrong.
Yeah. Sean,
Oh, we got a lot of time, buddy.
you think? It's like right here, though. If it doesn't run before you get the net on it, get him.
Making a big run.
Really? Bro, you see how he hit?
Yeah.
Bro, I thought he was huge. God dang it, bro.
Break a weight? You did.
No?
No? Oh, I can see.
Just got another one, small one, 14 and a quarter. And just hold it, yep, like that. Don't move anymore.
What they know about that first place?
No shot? Are we really?
Yeah.
Screenshot it. Bro, screenshot that. Where's the cameraman?
Should I call Natalie?
Yes.
Be like, you can send the cameraman over. Yeah. Highly photogenic over here. You can bring a mic. Boat captain will give a speech if you would like.
Is it? That's a giant. Oh my god, it took off. Oh, it's huge. Oh, it's running towards me. Sean, be ready, it's running. Bro, it took off. No, it's not, bro. What the heck? Did you see him hit it or no?
No.
Bro, I had slack line and it pulled drag out before I set the hook.
Dang.
Like it just ran. Jesus, bro. God.
Yeah.
Man, it's not even big, but took off with it. I thought it was huge. I don't know if it'll help. What's our smallest?
That'll help.
13 and 3/4.
Right?
I think so.
There it is.
Yeah.
14 3/4. Small upgrade. Not much, but it is an upgrade. Bro, every time I squat back here to release a fish, the pump comes on and almost hits my face.
What was he? 14 3/4?
14 3/4, yeah.
Whoa.
Big one?
Maybe.
Let him
It
fight
feels
if he
pretty
needs.
good.
Let him fight if he needs to. Try not to let him jump.
Ready.
Bring him close. Back up one. There we go.
He ain't even that big. There goes the weight.
Weight just fell off. Did I say 14 1/4?
Yeah.
Yeah, 2 14 and a quarters. Here, just throw him up quick. And you'd catch 2 of them. Like, he'd be like, all right, come up here. There's three right here. And we both cast at it at the same time. Just double up.
Woo! I feel like I'm ocean fishing.
Get him, Oren.
Weed.
Huh? Bro. Look at those waves. Bro, that's an ocean wave.
Is that from the boat, or is that just a...
That's just the wind. That's like an ocean wave, no? Like these. We're about to hit them trolling motor. Big one? Yeah. Yep. Bring him here, bring him here. Hey.
That's
Finally.
our limit.
Is that 7?
Yeah. Oh.
Hook's out already.
Didn't we already have 7? Ah.
First place was 6. Wow, we're in second place actually. But probably will be now.
Nice job. Yeah, it's all right. Oren, come up here.
Yeah.
Come up here. Let's go. He's gonna jump.
He's big. Woo!
Wait.
Oh my god.
Holy Jesus.
Let's go, Hunter. Oh my god.
Sean, let's go.
Look at the mouth on that. That's a small mouth. Crazy.
Hunter, there's something about you and smallmouth, I'll tell you.
Dude, Hunter's cooked us. Ain't even gonna lie.
Bro, it's stuck on the net. Alrighty guys, so Friday we went up to Mille and we pre-fished Friday. We actually had a really good pre-fish, and the south end, it was like 15-mile-an-hour winds coming out of the south. So we tried to go down to the south, find some spots, and we couldn't have any luck. So we went up north and we just whacked them up there. But it was the windiest side of the lake, so it's kind of a struggle. We had water going over the boat, like, the entire time we're fishing, just going up and down in the waves, probably 6-foot waves. And then Saturday was tournament day, and we got out there and we started to catch them right away. We were in second place, then we moved up to first place for a sec, then I think we dropped all the way down to 7th, and then me and Oren, the GoPro shut off, but me and Oren doubled up on 4-pound smallies at the same time, and we shot right back up to 3rd. And it was kind of a struggle after that the rest of the day. And yeah, we got a few here and there, but no like giants after that. And I think our smallest fish for the day was 15 and a half, and our biggest was 20 and a quarter, I think, maybe 20 and a half. Then after not catching anything for a while, we kept changing spots, but we stayed in like relatively the same area the entire time. And with about 20 minutes left in the tournament, our trolling motor died, and we were sitting in 5th place. And we got like, I think there was 14 minutes left in the tournament. We got bumped down to 6, which sucked because top 5 get a plaque, and we were really hoping for a plaque, but apparently we didn't get one now, and that's okay. We still top 15 in that tournament, made it to the TOC state tournament, which is on Big Stone Lake next weekend. So we made it to that, qualified for the TOC, which is awesome news. And then once we got off the lake, with those big winds on the way home, we were just going up and smacking each wave on the way back. And I'll actually come down here and show you. We got back, we realized the trolling motor was loose, but then all that one screw was still holding in. All the rest were stripped and chewed up, and like, I'll show you the trolling motor. It's, yeah, not looking good. So if we would have went out there today, trolling motor definitely wouldn't have made it. And yeah, we decided not to fish today because of how windy it was, and we didn't have very many other spots. But so we just came home. We were gonna go pre-fishing today for our next tournament, but since the trolling motor's not working, we can't do that. Hopefully we can get it fixed sometime this week, and then we will go back out. And yeah, I'll try and record a little when we're out pre-fishing, but for now, that'll be all for this video. And thank you so much for watching all the way to the end. And I want to give a huge shout out to our sponsor, JR's Advanced Recyclers. They've been a huge help for us this season, and they're a family-owned business located in Inver Grove Heights. And yeah, they take scrap metal, appliances, wiring, pretty much anything you can think of. And yeah, we've been going there for quite a bit now, and yeah, they're always really nice to us. So we'll see you guys on the next video.